ተመሳሳይ ሞዴል ተሰርቷል። ይሄንን የሚመስልና አካባቢ እንዳለ የሚመስል ነገር በማይንክራፍት ሞዴል ተሰርቷል። ኮምፒውተሮቻችን ላይ ያለ ማለት ነው። አሁን እዚህ የመጣ ነው ከላይ ጀምሮ እናያለን ያሉትን ችግሮች አይደንቲፋይ ያደረግን።
Public space is everything. We have to have like more public space in the city. Addis Ababa city is doing a lot of things these days, and we are seeing a positive result from our engagement with the city administration.
I'm really excited about seeing what kind of ideas that will be generated during the workshop later today and the coming days. To see what all these different actors will suggest for this site.
About the differences you see from here to the real site. Why? What is the difference?
This kind of workshop helps the community to involve and participate for sustainable environmental situation. Those people who are involved in this workshop can get more information how they can keep their environment more clean, clear, and comfortable for their life.
We're trying to protect it through this project by trying to firstly map out the really great nature in the city, and then trying to link that to the planning so that it's taken seriously in development plans and really informs development in future in Addis so that nature is really protected.
ላይ ደግሞ ወጥተን ጫፍ ላይ የሰራነው እንደ መዝናኛ ቦታ ነው ያደረግነው። አሁን እንደምን ማለት ነው ላይ ፓርት ላይ ያለው ማለት ነው።
This workshop is very interesting. We have got lots of new ideas and knowledge that can be implemented and applied in rivers and riversides, and some rubbish areas can be cleaned and more. It can be more attractive for the residents of the city and as well as the visitors. So this Minecraft gives us lots of knowledge that can be used to implement in the future time.